What is up everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today we have Dogecoin absolutely pumping. It's up nearly 7% today, and we're going to be breaking down why it's pumping and where exactly I think it can pump to. So the main reason why Dogecoin is actually pumping over the past 12 to 24 hours is because Elon Musk made a reference at the Trump Pennsylvania campaign. Now, you had to have, an above average IQ to understand the tease, but he essentially said that he wants to form an alliance with Trump and actually create a Department of Government Efficiency. Now, what the Department of Government Efficiency stands for is DOGE, which is Doge. And that essentially, a lot of people on Twitter do have an IQ, which is above average. So a lot of people did get that, a little tease, and essentially caused the price to pump. Now, we obviously had a large pump from the previous week, which has just continued that momentum. And, Dogecoin is starting to look really, really bullish amongst all the other meme coins, even though other coins like Pepe is also up 7.4%, Dog with Hat also up 4%, SHIB also up 4%. However, Dogecoin, you can see, has clearly got the most momentum. It's got the most drive right now, and all eyes are on Doge. Now, what can we be expecting for Dogecoin? Well, as we talked about in the previous video, we're going to be looking to break above this resistance level right here. It's quite strong. We've used it previously in the past, and it also aligns with the 0.382 level on the Fibonacci. Now, we can obviously simply just reject this level and come straight back down to 12.4 cents. However, I think especially if we get a daily close above here and we can continue building on that bullish momentum, that we can definitely see us start trading and consolidating in the range of 13.7 to 15.5 cents, which would start to look really considerable for Dogecoin, and we could start considering buys at this support level. Now, if we do reject, then we will most likely come down to this area right here where we can find some support, and the absolute worst case scenario, we'll probably come down to 11.7, or maybe if the market does start really tumbling, which it currently isn't, but if that does happen, then we'll worst case scenario come to 10 cents. However, you can see here that the market is actually looking quite bullish. We had a slight red candle yesterday, which obviously caused a lot of panic and a lot of coins to go red because Bitcoin dominance continued rallying up, and it still is. Bitcoin dominance isn't slowing down yet, and in order for altcoins to really rally, we need the chart on the right here to just plummet, and that will give us a lot of drive for altcoins. But overall, Bitcoin is looking quite bullish. On the weekly chart here, you can see it's flourishing. It's breaking through this resistance level at a significant rate. It's looking to break through this huge order block that we had here, which again, we struggle to break through a lot of times, and if we are able to, then that's going to be a major turning point for the entire crypto market. And you can see here on the monthly chart, it's looking quite good. The entire month of October has practically been green. We have had barely any drawdown, and on the daily chart, we are creating higher highs and higher lows. So ultimately, Bitcoin is looking bullish, which will allow Dogecoin to look bullish, and in order for us to break through and start consolidating at this level right here, and that's where I'd be looking for buys. I'd want to find a few buying areas here, and maybe not, the very first time when we start consolidating when we break above, but definitely when we, break above, see some sort of pump and then come back down, consolidate, I'd look for buys somewhere here before we come back up and we look for take profits, obviously either at this resistance level or at, the resistance level that is created from this high, or even the Fibonacci level. That's the sort of strategy that I'm going to be looking to take for Dogecoin. If you do want to be getting daily trades, my strategies, all the coins I'm holding, then make sure to check out the Discord down below, because we're posting everything like that inside of there. It's value packed information, and the trades are great, the team's great, so make sure to check it out there. Now, that's essentially the rundown for Dogecoin. I know it wasn't long, but that's what I'm expecting it to do over the coming days. If you did enjoy, please do like and subscribe. And if you need a place to trade Dogecoin, buy, sell, or even do derivatives with it, then make sure to check out Mexi and Bybit down below. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you all tomorrow. Goodbye, guys.